Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 non-electric tools. Even if your handyman talents are limited to tightening screws and pounding a few nails, you will still need certain equipment to do the task correctly. Today's modern age gives birth to all electrical equipment and tools that provide convenience, but without cordless tools, you're confined to the power outlets and have to power up the tools rather regularly, which may give you a hard time and more difficult to handle. If you want to work as a handyman, do a DIY project, or remodel your home, here are the best 10 non-electric hand tools to get you started. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the non-electric tools that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first non-electric tool on our list is the WilFiks Hand Saw. The 16-inch Pro hand saw has a thick body blade with a 19th per inch high carbon steel blade for rigidity and control. It's very robust with induction-hardened teeth that retain their sharpness for up to 5 times longer than standard teeth, and it delivers smooth, crisp, and quick cuts. You can definitely count on this 0.85-pound hand saw to deliver superior, long-lasting performance and great results. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WilFiks Hand Saw a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic handle. It features an anti-slip super grip handle that resists slipping and adds comfort. The handle size will work with any hand size for small to extra large and is designed to help lessen fatigue when cutting and allows for a superior cutting angle. Optimized blade. The blade geometry has 3 cutting surfaces to cut up to 50% faster than traditional hand saws. Hanging hole. All WilFiks saws have a standard hanging hole at the bottom end of the blade for easy storage. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a little flimsy, so it might be hard to cut. The second non-electric tool on our list is the Vaughan Demolition Tool. The Vaughan range 15-inch demolition tool quickly dispatches whatever stands between you and a finished job. Pick it up and feel it balance and heft. It measures 1.13 by 15.13 by 6 inches and weighs just 2.5 pounds, with strategic weight placement for maximum momentum with minimum effort. The I-beam frame is forged from high carbon steel for maximum stiffness and force transfer. It's also heat-treated, then powder-coated and polished for lasting good looks. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Vaughan Demolition Tool a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: multi-function design. It replaces multiple individual demolition tools with its design that can chisel, pry, hammer, and ram. Magnetic nail holder. You'll never have to worry about hurting your fingers again, as you can start nails easier with its magnetic nail holder. Ergonomic grip. The double injection handle features a patented asymmetrical shape for maximum comfort and control, so you can put the hurt on everything but you. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the board puller jaws are a bit short. The third non-electric tool on our list is the Estwing Hammer. This nylon vinyl shock reduction grip hammer is perfect for driving and removing nails. The fully polished, forged, one-piece solid steel construction eliminates loose ends, while the nylon vinyl deep cushion grips, bonded to steel handle for comfort and durability, weigh only 1 pound. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Estwing Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: highly versatile. This Estwing Hammer features a versatile straight, rip claw design that can be used for everything from pulling nails and prying boards to demolition work and splitting wood. Patented shock reduction grip. Reducing impact vibration by 70%, this feature provides optimal slip-free comfort, durability, and superior grip in all job site conditions. Built for the pro. For those who want a tool that'll last, this fully forged Estwing Hammer is ideal for framers, roofers, finished carpenters, contractors, tradesmen, and serious DIYers. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the coating on the metal chips and peels easily. The fourth non-electric tool on our list is the Klein tool screwdriver. This versatile 11-in-1 multi-tool is everything a professional needs. It measures 7.75 by 1.25 by 1.75 inches and weighs 0.5 pounds, making it easy to handle and light to work with. On top of that, it's made from a stainless steel blade holder with a cushioned grip for comfort. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Klein tool screwdriver a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: interchangeable blade. This aids in a fast and easy switch out when you need to accomplish other tasks. Multi-bit screwdriver. The item is highly versatile, as the nut driver shaft holds 8 popular tips and converts to 3 nut driver sizes to accommodate all of your working demands. Cushion grip handle. This thoughtful design provides greater torque and comfort, so you can finish your job conveniently fast and without any problem. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the bits lack magnets for easy holding of the screws. The fifth non-electric tool on our list is the TOOLGUARDS Wrench Set. TOOLGUARDS 26-piece ratcheting wrench set is made from top-quality chrome vanadium steel, a premium high-strength and highly durable material. These ratcheting open-end wrenches are mirror polished and corrosion resistant, so grease and oils will not affect them. All in all, they weigh a massive 7.28 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the TOOLGUARDS Wrench Set a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Functional tool rack. The ratchet wrench sets come delivered to you in 2 useful and protective wrench organizers, great for transporting and organizing the wrenches. The tool rack features individual wrench slots, and it'll fit snugly in a car trunk or toolbox. Alternatively, its uniquely designed handle is ideal for hanging the wrench sets. Slim profile. TOOLGUARDS extra thin ratchet wrenches are some of the slimmest on the market, meaning they fit into tighter spaces, which can mean the difference between a job well done and an expensive trip to the mechanics. Precision tools. Featuring alternately engaging double-stack pawls, TOOLGUARD ratchet and wrenches have a 5-degree swing angle for super accurate work. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the chrome coating flake off easily. The 6th non-electric tool in our list is the IRWIN Pliers Set. The IRWIN Vice grip set comes in 8 pieces, including 3 groove lock pliers, an adjustable wrench, a long nose, diagonal cutting, line spans, and slip joint pliers. They're durably constructed of chrome vanadium steel, while the groove lock pliers are crafted with a metal injection molding process that ensures precision and long life. When stored in the kit bag, they weigh a total of 7 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the IRWIN Pliers Set a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Press and slide. Groove lock pliers feature the press and slide button system, quick adjustments if you want to change the angle and size of the mouth. Ergonomic handle. It features a non-slip, anti-pinch Pro Touch grip that provides extra comfort and reduces hand fatigue. Convenient storage. It also comes with storage that has an individual compartment for each piece of equipment, and you can just roll it up for easy cleanup. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, though they are comfy, the handles are a bit bulky, which might be a hassle for some. The 7th non-electric tool on the list is the Hurricane Wood Chisel. This 4-piece wood chisel set may be used for a variety of woodworking projects at home or in the garage. It boasts forged chrome vanadium steel blades with higher sharpness, ensuring improved performance so you can spend more time working and less time tuning up. Plus, the thin side bevel's design will help you to quickly and precisely flatten and sharpen. Each item is 7.5 inches tall, with handles that are 3.5 inches long, and they weigh 1.12 pounds when carried together. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hurricane Wood Chisel a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Bevel blades. The bevel edge is perfect for carving wood and other multi-purpose uses, and is suitable for all softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood products. PVC colored transparent high-impact handle. It's designed for use with a palm, wooden mallet, or a claw hammer. Protection cover. It comes with 4 protective caps, one for each chisel to keep the blade sharp for a long time and also prevent any accidental cutting scenario. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the handles are so small. The 8th non-electric tool on our list is a Stanley jack plane. The classic Stanley low-angle jack plane is made from extra thick A2 steel for excellent edge retention, a 1-piece precision ground frog, and base casting. It's 2.5 inches wide by 14 inches long, with a 2-inch wide blade that's installed bevel up without a cap iron and weighs 6.29 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Stanley jack plane a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Cherry wood handle and knob. The front knob and tote are genuine American cherry for user comfort while providing unrivaled effectiveness. Norris type adjustment. With the Norris style adjuster, both lateral and vertical movements of the iron are controlled by a single shaft for easier and faster adjustment. Adjustable throat plates. The Stanley offers versatility as you can work with different kinds of woods with a simple adjustment. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the adjustable mount moves back when you tighten it. The 9th non-electric tool on our list is the Real Steel Sledgehammer. This 3-pound drilling sledgehammer is equipped with a powerful cross-striking head for a truly commanding impact and a graphite core for unmatched durability and resilience. The hammer is available for striking the wall space and bricks, and it can also be used with chisels, punches, dart drills, hardened nails, and much more. Since it's only 10 inches long, it's conveniently portable and easy to use. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Real Steel Sledgehammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Super grip. You don't have to worry about the hammer slipping out of your grip, as the no-slip textured cushion gives you great hold. Versatile sledgehammer. It has a double face at the opposite ends that can be used on various surfaces, providing the optimized power and durability required to complete the toughest jobs. 2 choices available. You can choose between the 2 sledgehammers with different handle materials for your choice. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the handle is significantly shorter than traditional ones, which may limit your force when using it. The 10th non-electric tool on your list is the Rivet Gun. The Riveter features tough and durable steel construction, spring-loaded handles with soft vinyl hand grips, 4 different sized nose pieces, a nose changing wrench, and a convenient handle lock for easy storage. It weighs 2.09 pounds, making it light enough to do heavy-duty tasks. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Rivet Gun a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Extended nose. Its extended nose makes work easier in hard-to-reach places, making it a great tool for general-purpose rivet tasks such as gutters, furniture, and canvas works. Interchangeable heads. Versatility is also considered by the brand with its 4 interchangeable heads so that you have everything you need to start riveting. Wide application. This gun will meet your needs whether you're a novice or seasoned riveter who needs to do metal work, gutter, automotive, and other common projects. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, tool opens very wide, which can be hard to hold, especially with small hands. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 non-electric tools, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next non-electric tool roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.